we'll guide you through how to use Todoist to organize your tasks efficiently. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Todoist website. Once you're there, sign in with your account or create a new one if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll see your dashboard. To start adding tasks, click on the Add Task button located at the center of your screen. Enter your task name and press Enter. You can also set due dates by clicking on the calendar icon next to your task. If you need to categorize your tasks, click on the Projects tab in the sidebar and create a new project by hitting the Add Project button. Give your project a name, choose a color for easy identification, and click Add. Once your projects are set, you can drag and drop tasks into the respective projects to keep things organized. For recurring tasks, click on the task, select the Schedule option, and set it to repeat daily, weekly, or however often you need. Todoist also allows you to prioritize tasks by clicking on the flag icon next to a task and selecting a priority level. Higher priority tasks will be highlighted, helping you focus on what's most important. You can also collaborate with others by sharing projects. To do this, select the project you want to share, click the share icon, and enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite. They'll receive an invitation to join your project. Don't forget to explore the Filters and Labels section for more advanced task management options, such as creating custom filters to view tasks by label or due date. Todoist's flexibility makes it a powerful tool for personal and professional task management. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.